Renewable energy. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding renewable energy in India. 1. Setting up of compressed biogas plants is an important part of Satat. 2. One sun, one world, one grid focused on European and American states in the first phase. Which of the statements given above is are correct? A. One only. B. Two only. C. Both one and two. D. Neither one nor two. Question 2. Consider the following about electric vehicles. 1. Longer charging time. 2. Reduced noise and cheaper maintenance. 3. Higher cost of the vehicles. 4. Short distance travels. Which of the above are hindrances in the adoption of electric vehicles in India? A. 1, 3, and 4 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2, 3, and 4 only. D. 2 and 4 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding renewable energy. 1. The conventional resources are renewable and almost inexhaustible. 2. Biomass can be converted directly into liquid fuels, called biofuels, to help meet transportation fuel needs. 3. The Government of India has a target of renewable energy capacity to 175 gigawatts by the year 2030, which includes 100 gigawatts from solar power. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. None of the above. Question 4. Match the following hydroelectric project and rivers. I. Lohari A, tributary of Jhelum. 2. Savra Kuddu B, Chenab. 3. Ratal C, tributary of Yamuna. 4. Kishanganga D, Sutlej. Select the correct code. A. ID, 2C, 3B, 4A, B, IB, 2D, 3A, 4C, C, ID, 2B, 3A, 4C, D, IB, 2C, 3D, 4A. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding promotion of solar energy. 1. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, have initiated schemes and incentives like subsidy, easy loan, concessional duty on raw material imports to encourage and use of solar energy systems. 2. International Solar Alliance is the first organization in the world which will have a sole focus on solar energy, and its secretariat is in India. 3. International Renewable Energy Agency is the nodal agency for implementing One Sun One World One Grid (OSOWOG) plan and releases Ease of Doing Solar report. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 6. Consider the following statements in context of wind energy in India. 1. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, has been authorized as the nodal ministry for use of offshore areas within the exclusive economic zones, EEZ, of the country under National Offshore Wind Energy Policy. 2. Onshore wind farms operate on large bodies of water and are more expensive than offshore wind farms. 3. India currently has the fourth highest wind installed capacity in the world, and Gujarat has highest wind energy potential currently in India. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding fuel cells. 1. Fuel cells are electrochemical devices that convert the electric energy into chemical energy, and hydrogen is the most suited fuel for such cells. 2. The Ministry of Science and Technology has launched the National Green Hydrogen Mission to cut down carbon emissions and to scale up green hydrogen production. 3. They can be widely used in electric vehicles due to high energy conversion efficiency and near-zero pollution. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 8. It is a device that uses a thin sheet of material to trap solar radiation over a large area, before directing the energy to cells mounted on the thin edges of the material layer. It can collect both direct and diffuse solar radiation. Therefore, tracking of the sun is not required. They are excellent candidates for building integrated photovoltaics and for the cloudier northern climates. Identify the device from the options given below. A. Photovoltaic cells. B. Solar cells. C. Electrochemical cell. D. Luminescent solar concentrator. Question 9. Which of the following are the potential sites for generation of geothermal energy? 1. Jalgaon. 2. Kashmir Valley. 3. Puga Valley. 4. Tattapani. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 2, 3 and 4 only. Question 10. With reference to solar energy, consider the following statements. 1. The International Solar Alliance was launched at the UN Climate Change Conference in Paris, COP22, as a special platform to address the special energy needs of its member countries. 2. The proposed solar biomass hybrid system is based on distributed multi-generation technology that integrates photovoltaic thermal and biomass power sources. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding Pradhan Mantri Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Uthan Mahabhiyan, PM Kusum, scheme. 1. PM Kusum scheme, which aims at furthering the production of solar power in India and giving benefits of solar farming to farmers, will be implemented by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. 2. Under this scheme, the government will provide a 60% subsidy to a farmer for setting up of pump sets and tube wells on their land. 3. This scheme aims to achieve 1,000 gigawatts of solar power generation by 2022 through its components. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.